Name's Gary Pearson from Effective CNC Solutions, and today we're going to talk about the concept machine that we've designed and built. Since I've been in the machine tool industry, Renishaw's always been at the forefront of the measuring technology, and it's always been a name I've been familiar with. So it was a natural progression for me to look to Renishaw for current technology for what we're doing today on both retrofit systems and for this machine design. Machine tools in general are designed is that the spindle would be on at least 2 moving axes, often 3 moving axes, and the workpiece would be on 2 or 3 moving axes also. What we did was by creating a fixed rigid position for a spindle and an additive head, and in this machine also a turning turret, taken a wire arc additive manufacturing system, which is basically a very clever MIG welder, put that onto the machine in a fixed position, and what that allows us to do is to add the base material from a clean build plate, and we can add a certain amount of material and then we can machine that back without having to take the product off the machine, and then we can add more material on top and machine it back, and so the process goes. But because we can add in 5 axis on the machine, then we can build very complex shapes and machine them back to a very accurate tolerance and manufacture very complex components without having to take them off the machine at all. From an additive point of view, we can create components that are larger than the machine table because we can manufacture in 5 axis. We can rotate the components, so if you imagine you can build a cylinder and then you can rotate the component around and build on the side of that cylinder any shape you like, really, and that gives us the capability to manufacture a large component that even overhangs the build plate. We chose an off-the-shelf solution effectively in a collaborative robot. The finished design of the machine is designed to have a pallet changer on it as well. We can literally run lights out. We purchased 2 of the FORTiS S systems, and it was more or less a plug and play, very easy to install and set up. As well as the axis measuring systems, we looked to Renishaw for the tool measuring systems and the workpiece measuring system. So they supplied us with an RMP probe system for the workpiece measuring, which works very well. And also they developed for us a hybrid system, which is a hybrid of the NC4, the milling tool measuring probe. And they put on the side of that a touch probe for measuring the turning tools. The tool measuring guys came up and had a look at what we were doing on the machine, what we needed to achieve, where we needed to install it, and then drew up some CAD models. We were able to drop those CAD models into our CAD model of the machine, see how it integrated with the machine, went back and gave the all clear, yes, we're happy with that, that's going to do what we need. Renishaw manufactured it for us. We feel we have a very new and strong product to go to market for the high-tech industries, and we're looking forward to the future with great enthusiasm, really.